So good morning. This is Monday. Today I wish to make a documentary of how I I succeeded in making my first app in KivyMD and then upload it to the Google Play Store. And first of all, I've registered as a developer in Google, and I will get an email and open the Google Play console. Open my Play console. And then I can see that the app is not accepted, but now still under review. But at least it's not an easy task to upload it because I got the rejection many times, and finally I figured out the method, and that's why I have to make a documentary how I did it. I made all the notes here, and first of all, the reference that to show the course that I studied in the Google and in the Google YouTube, and I gone through everything, and until I got almost to the end, I followed through and I got the first app, tic-tac-toe, working. Of course, I also made some of my own modifications to make it to suit my style. And then I tried to use the bulldozer in order to package the app to be a format that accepted by the Google Play Store. In fact, I can also do iOS, but that will be later. I haven't tried it yet. First thing first, I have to make sure that my app works on a computer. I have to make a very nice screenshot first because I'll explain to you why I need to do that, because you need to have to create an icon of the specified resolution that will be accepted by the Google Play Store. Otherwise, it won't be accepted. So the best thing is to cut the screenshot and to be ready for making an icon. I will show you in a few minutes later how I did it. So now that it proved to be workable on a computer. The next thing is to debug with Android phone. How to connect to the Android phone is not difficult. You tap, locate it, tap it several times. I think I just copy the information from the internet, and I follow that, and can make the phone that to be Android phone. And the next thing I will change to my directory of the project, and then I run a Python script, but actually it's nothing special. It just follow this. This one. I just add in all these commands into the Python, then I don't need to run it to type it on the terminal one by one. Then the script will update the bulldozer spec, and that is the most important part for using the bulldozer, is that you have to change several items. You change the title, you change the package name, the domain name, and so on. And also you have to specify the Python version, KivyMD, pillow, etc. Okay, then I tried it, and I was luckily that I found that the phone really worked with my app, and that is very important. You have to use the power and the volume button you press together to copy the screenshot, because that will be useful later for uploading to the Play Store. Another thing very important is that you have to compile to package with AAB rather than ABK. Okay, not APK. So you have to disconnect the Android phone, and you have to sorry, not here. Yeah, the back. And the bulldozer spec, that's very important. You have the AAB here. The release artifact is AAB, not APK. Okay. Sorry, I can just from here, there is a shortcut here. Okay. You can make sure that the APK is now producing AAB in the line and it's not APK. Okay, the procedure. This one. Okay, that's finished. Package APK. And this is also very important that you sign it. And there is a good instruction in the internet how you sign it. Android App Bundle AAB combines line signing. There's a full instruction there. Okay. You have to sign it, otherwise it won't be accepted. Okay, after signing, you prepare the artwork. My way is to use GIMP. In my project, the artwork. Now I remove this first because it accepted only for the icons to be beside 515, 512 times 512. I remove it first and I show you how I make it. And then the resize. Okay, that's it. Now, using the GIMP to produce this feature. I have to produce this one. So you have to produce it, add in, that's why I said we have to take a screenshot from the mobile when you're running your app. You take it several screenshots to be 2 to 8, at minimum at 2, the more the better, and write some nice words there. But the most important is note about the dimension. In Emacs, you can put the letter Y, that is shown at 1024 times 500 at the bottom of this page. I don't know if we can see it. Okay, maybe. Yeah, maybe easier for you to see it. And you can see that there is a instruction somewhere here. That is here can see the requirements. This means first thing first, in running GIMP, when you produce a new one, you will specify the dimension, okay? Just specify the dimension that will be required by the Google Play Store. It is 1024 times 500. 1024 times 500, okay, I remember that. 1024 times 500 Okay, then you insert alternate layer from the screenshot. You cannot press this one because the screenshot have a very huge size, so you have to resize it first. Okay. Then you enter, and you enter more and write some word, and then save it. That will be okay and accepted by Google. And that's how I make it. Okay. I inserted 2 because this is just the experiment. I don't care of the monetization of my app. So if you want to promote it, you have to add in more. Okay. That's the resizing, because initially the screenshot is huge size, 1080 times 2009. Okay. But that will be accepted in one category in Google Play Store for the screenshot. You don't need to resize for that. But only for the future screen, you have to resize the screenshot first. And as for the icon, initial size is 212 times 1x3, and it's not accepted. You have to resize it to 512. I made a script in Emacs. Then I got a file 512 times 512, and that is the nice icon that we accepted. So that's not easier to prepare the artwork. Okay. After, then you upload. That is the reference. So this is a very nice.
By advertising on YouTube, I grow my business by reaching my most important customers, people like Allison.
So you can read it, study that YouTube, how to upload the Play Store. And it's my own record